Okay, day one. Welcome back to the channel. Like and subscribe, all the good things. Day one of the season. Shoulder looking good. First time skiing since shoulder surgery. We are at Sunlight Mountain. Good to be back on the snow. They opened up Friday and we're gonna have a good time. So let's hit the mountain and we'll see you out there. And since we're stuck on the chairlift,
good morning.
Ariel's here too. So, first day of the season, conditions at Sunlight looking quite nice. Early conditions though, so not a whole lot's open. And people keep falling off the lift, so we're just kind of hanging out. Alright, like and subscribe. I'll check back in when we get to the top and we'll hit the runs. Kind of following you. A grizzly?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, the conditions are so nice. Angle you guys down a little bit more. Alright, GoPro, stop letting me down, please. I'm about to cancel you. Go to somebody else, because this is ridiculous. Alright. Some fresh powder. Roughly, I don't know, 5-ish inches. Nice and soft. This season, we are planning some big trips. So get ready, it's gonna be fun. Ah, Beaujolais is closed. Whew. Wow. Lots of snow. Oh. It's gonna be a short day today. You know, get the legs moving again. If you didn't already know this, I got a separate channel for my garage projects. And there's going to be a lot of snowmobiling on that channel too. My GoPro's getting a little old, so it really struggles with the cold weather, but we're figuring that out, figuring out what works. And once I get everything running, should be good. What's taking you so long?
What?
What took you so long?
I got stuck on that uphill.
Good conditions.
Woo.
Okay, ready? Go for it. Oh yeah, it's deep. Quite deep. Oh God. Whew. Very powdery.
That's great.
Yeah. I think we have to take the cat track down, so. Okay. Whew. Hello, Tips. Ooh, a lot of hidden obstacles. So be careful. What a lovely first run. Nothing too crazy. That looks open. That might be fun. Take it easy, don't hit any rocks. Should be fun. Let's head on to the lift. All right. Run one done. Okay, ready?
Yep.
All right. All right, a little bit of powder on the old Jocelyn. Whew. Wow, this is nice. Oh man, so much powder. Holy smokes. What a nice day.
Yeah.
Good morning, dude.
Oh my goodness.
How's it going, Ariel? Having fun?
Oh yeah, this is great.
Good.
What do you think?
Yep, it's pretty good. goodness. Oh. Whew.
Slow motion.
Uh-huh. Oh, got that on camera. Gotta take a selfie. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Woo! Oh man, what a nice run. Okay, so that was a fun one. All right, let's do the same start, but keep going past that trail. Here's the trail we just did. We'll keep on going past it. Oh, and it's Segundo. The Segundo lift. So this is an old school mountain. The name of this run is Peace Pipe. Yeah, we could just do like, we can keep moving our way and then at some point we'll run out of runs to do. So.
Yeah.
Okay, go for it. God. Whew, it is deep. And there are little trees everywhere. Oh my God. Look at her go. God. Alright, we're gonna head skiers left even further and then probably call it quits. So let's head over there. Oh. Yeah, White River and Columbine, two great trails. Oh, look at that view. Such a nice view. Columbine or White River?
What?
Columbine or White River?
Let's do White River.
Okay. Konbini wa dozo yoroshiku. Getting ready for our Japan trip.
I see that.
Ding, spoiler alert. All right, White River. Okay. And now to Buckmaster. Okay.
Yay.
Like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Not sure when that'll be, but soon. All right. See ya. Bye.